Mga kapuso, makakasama natin ngayong hapon na pinakabagong kapuso, Benjamin Alves. Hi! Welcome to Showbiz Central.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for having me, Ms. Jeneline. I'm excited. Thank you po. Thank you for having me here.
Ready ka na ba sa mga questions ko?
Ready na.
Kanina ni-launch ka namin sa Party Pilipinas. Anong feeling?
Exciting. Actually, grateful ako kasi the first time they had the launch like that for an artist. So, thank you, Direct Mark, and thank you, Mama Net and Miss Lilibeth for entrusting me sa ganung launching. So, sobrang grateful.
Yes. Summa cum laude ka, pero ang balita ko gusto mo pa daw mag-aral kaya bumalik ka ng Pilipinas. Paano paano yung plano mo na mag-showbiz?
Showbiz muna siguro, 100%. Andito na po yung blessing and like my dad said, it's a blessing from God. So, mahirap pong umayaw sa blessing na binigay na hindi ko po naman po pinlano. Actually, the Masters and PhD, pwede naman po later on
Oo nga, dumating na yung opportunity. So, might as well. Ika nga ni Sweet. Grab it, diba? Ang pagkakaroon ng kamag-anak ba na katulad ni Piolo, isang advantage o disadvantage?
Advantage talaga. You get noticed faster. Yung expectations po nila, it's a challenge and I welcome it. So, we're doing workshops here in GMA under Direct Maro de los Reyes. So,
wow.
I'll be prepared and I'm excited.
So far, how was it? Anong mga experience mo sa workshop?
It's fun. I have Rocco Nancino,
Yeah.
Mark Heras, Sarah Labati, Kylie Padilla. They're fun. They're such nice people.
Okay. Diba, mag-aartista ka na, so magte-taping ka na, magkakaroon ka na ng mga pelikula. Sino sa mga babaeng actresses sa GMA ang pwede o gusto mong makatrabaho?
I know we were supposed to do a movie that
Yes,
day. Yeah,
yes.
we were supposed to do a movie, but hopefully we'll get to work together in the future.
Oh, narinig niyo yun. Sweet, pasensya na. Ako muna nandito ngayon. Napakaswerte ko po. Thank you. Thank you, Benjamin. Anong mga upcoming projects mo sa GMA ngayon?
Well, I have 3 movies I'm doing. With GMA, I think I'm part of Conyo Problems for MMFF this December. But I have a soap in August. And we'll see. Baka tayo magkasama doon. Yeah.
Anong title ng soap mo?
Wala pang title
May
sa
mga
sabi sa
kasama.
akin.
Sino mga kasama mo?
Secret pa eh.
Secret pa, hindi mo pwedeng sabihin. Well, aabangan namin yan.
Yes.
Aabangan ng lahat ng mga girls yan. Di ba? Sige lang. Go. May fans club na tayo. BJ, na-mention nila, 5'10" daw ang height mo.
Yes.
Oh, maliban sa kagwapuhan mo, ano pa yung makukonsider mo na asset?
Asset, passionate about acting. Like my mom said, drama actor ako in high school. I'm excited to be able to showcase that, yung talent na yun, for acting. And hopefully, sana, pag nagawa ng voice lessons and dancing lessons, sana may talent din po ako sa singing and dancing. We'll see.
Oh, malay mo, makita ka na namin sa Party Pilipinas sa kumakanta, sumasayaw, di ba? Why not?
Hosting muna.
Hosting muna. Yun ang pinakagusto mong gawin. Ano sa part ng body mo na sa tingin mo yung pinaka-sexy sa'yo? Nagsisigawan ng mga girls.
Abs daw. Siguro, I'll take abs, I guess. Abs.
Abs? Sa face naman, sa face.
Sa face, siguro eyes. I was told have expressive eyes. So,
Wow!
I was told.
So, abs talaga, tsaka eyes.
Sabi nila abs daw eh. So, yun na yan.
Eto, galing sa isa sa mga nanonood sa atin ngayon na fan, ano daw ang type mo sa isang babae? Type daw type.
Dami eh. Dami.
Ano yung mga qualities na gusto mo sa isang babae?
Eyes. Laging eyes, lips, tapos...
Ganun ba?
and bosses, Also the voice.
The
And I heard you
voice.
sing earlier. So. Yeah, I heard you sing earlier
Ay!
too, so yeah. Voice then, yeah.
Ano ka ba? Ikaw talaga, magkakaroon tayo ng love team dito eh. Fans club.
That's
Meron ng ano. Ano yung sinasabi nyo kanina? Benjen daw, Benjen. Benjamin, maraming salamat. Ano pa
Thank
bang
you.
mga aabangan namin sa'yo?
just the soap in August and also Party P every Sunday. Again, thank you, Ma'am Lalabet, GMA Networks, GMA Artist Center, GMA Films also, Mr. Sir Joey Abacan, Ma'am Lalabet, Ma'am Aneth, sorry, and my Mercator family, Jonas Gafford, thank you. Thank you sa bench, thank you for Jing Mones, thank you for Joel Lontong for styling me. That's all. Thank you. Derma 360, thank you.
Maraming salamat sa'yo. Thank you very much, Benjamin.
Thank you.
Sana makabalik ka ulit dito.
For sure.
Thank you very much. Aabangan nilang lahat ang iyong mga shows.
Yes.
At I'm sure every Sunday makikita ka na namin sa Party Pilipinas. Thank you very
Thank you,
much.
thank you.
Thank you.
Proud of you.
Ako naman po, mga kaibigan, gusto ko magpasalamat sa Brooks and Tier family, Manfred of Basement Salon, Kim and Bupia for my outfit, FX, Converse, Doktora Vicky Bello, Hikari, Adahar Dental Services, Sangyang Furniture, Holiday Inn, Whoops, Labor Libis, Red Paule for my makeup, and please grab a copy. Working Mom po out na po ito. Yan. Ayan po. Kami po ni Jazz ang cover. So, please grab a copy. Maraming salamat. Thank you, Benjamin. Thank you. At mamaya, taga-starstruck noon, underwear endorser na ngayon, tutukan siya kung sino sa pagbabalik ng Showbiz Central.